Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'm at Thaifood, right over there next to the Tesco Lotus. They don't call it Tesco anymore. They call it Lotus. There's a big market. We're going to go and check it out and get some food. So come on guys, let's go check it out. So today is Thursday, 4 p.m. and the weather's about 29°C. It's absolutely lovely. I've only gone and left my microphone and tripod at home, so I'm gonna have to do this freestyle. Hope you can hear me clearly. Okay, so hopefully we don't have any loud music here today. The one I went to at Sapan Kwai was really loud and I couldn't record, but I can hear music already. Hopefully that don't affect the video. Hey, look at that. What I have to do is just talk louder, won't I? Right. Don't know what kind of music's playing. Sounds like it might be a light. No, it's just a speaker there. Anyway, look at that. Looks alright, doesn't it? What we look for, we ain't going to eat no pad krapao in this video, so don't worry. You can. Right, so here we go, straight forward. Get past this music. Probably get copyrighted for that. I hope not. Why do we have to have it so loud? Right, so here we go, some fried chicken. That's a small piece of chicken, isn't it, eh? It used to be a lot bigger than that. Right, this way. I do like these sausages though. And you're getting all of this. Right. Sushi, these are 10 baht each. There we have some stir fries, pad krapaos and stuff. In this video, we ain't gonna have any pad krapao. Buy one get one free. That's 60 baht. What do we have? It's alright, isn't it? 60 baht. Oh yeah. 20 baht. Chicken feet salad. Now this chicken over here, this is really good stuff. Yellow rice on there as well, and your fried onions. What we could do, we could go. I need to get out of the way of this music. Go inside Lotus to the food court. That's what the plan was today. I was going to show you around the food court. That's going to be quite hard without a tripod. I do have this gimbal, but it's not really built for food videos. Look. Mudang. Yes, this market's not as big as the usual ones. You want some elephant pants? So what we'll do, we'll go inside the food court. I think we can go through that way. Bring you back in a minute. Okay, so here we are, Lotus Eats. What we're going to do, we're going to change 100 baht and I'm going to eat something that I don't usually eat. might just surprise you actually with what I'm going to eat. I'll bring you back in a minute. Uh, 100. Thank you, cap on cap. Okay, so I've gone for the ladna. It's full of pork and vegetables and stuff. And that came in at 50 baht. I reckon I might go outside afterwards and finish this video off with a piece of chicken. Okay, so this is just packed full of pork. Loads of pork. Should have got some chilies on there actually. That's what I might do. Get a thumbnail first. Alright, I'll bring you back in a minute, so I'm going to again put some chilies on it. Okay, so there we have it. That looks a little bit better, doesn't it? You see how I've added chilies on there. Chili sauce. What have we got in here? Some bits of pork. These are massive rice noodles. I think they're rice noodles. Chinese kale. And some kind of gravy. This is absolutely fantastic. I've gone for the liquid chili today. Usually I have the chili flakes. Yeah. Let's give it a go, guys. Wow. Not as good as what you get at the market. But yeah, this is really good. Got some chunks of vegetables in there, haven't we? That. That's so good, that. 50 baht. Can't go wrong with 50 baht. All you need to add is pepper as well. Slimy stuff there. That's lovely, that. Some big bits of pork in there, you know. This is one of my favourite dishes. Pad see ew is a lot better. Pad see ew is very similar, but without the gravy. So no more pad krapao videos for a while. Nice that. Spot on. I'll do, I'll crack on and eat this, and I'll see you in a minute. Oh, that's so good. There we have it, all gone. Let's go outside and get some of that chicken. Starting to get a little bit more busy now. I know exactly where I'm going and exactly what I want. I want to have chicken legs. Okay, so that came 30 baht. It's alright, it's just a little bit cold. Anyway guys, I'm going to shoot off. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, share with your friends. I'll see you in another one. The next one ain't going to be a pack of power video either, I don't think. Anyway, cheers.